So if we are talking about the short vowels, so the short vowels is the sounds of two letters. One is the consonant and the other is a vowel. Okay, it's a short vowel. Let's start the examples of the short vowels. So here are some examples of sound of at and ab, like a, t, at. One is the vowel and another is a consonant. Okay, a, t, at. B, a, t, bat. K, a, t, cat. F, a, t, fat. P, a, t, pat. H, a, t, hat. D, a, t. TH, this is the digraph. This is the digraph. We are talking in the another video about this. The at that. M at mat. V at vat. At rat. S at sat. Fl at flat. Flat is a blending word. Okay, so flat is a blending word, and here is a ch at chat. So ch is also a digraph. The, ch, sh, these are the digraphs. Okay, and the fl, fl letter, it's a blending word. About these words we are talking in another video. Come to the next letter, sound of a, b, app. A, b, app. K, a, b, cab. T, a, b, tab. N, a, b, nab. L, a, b, lab. D, a, b, dab. F, a, b, fab. G, a, b, gab. J, a, b, jab. Gr, a, b, crab. Gr, a, b, grab. These both letters, gr and crow, both are the digraphs. Okay, so these are the basically CVC word. These are the basically CVC word which we read in this video.